What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the Ethereum. On accident deleted the Fibonacci level there, but it doesn't matter. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend and welcome to this new video. In this video we'll do a full update on Ethereum. It's almost getting into the new week, of course, right now. Yesterday was quite volatile. It was actually not that volatile for Ethereum, but yeah, we just had some solid recovery with a little bit of manipulation in between, which I've seen moves like this quite often in my while I've analyzed crypto, so for the last 1.5 years. But I've never really made any theory about why it's happening. It's just something we have to deal with, I think. But alright. But apart from that, we did have some recovery. We actually managed to with that last candle. We managed to break above 1750. So that means that, well, technically we are not bullish yet, but we did get some bullish momentum just now. And apart from that, and as we talked about that briefly yesterday already, apart from that, I actually do expect more bullish momentum today. But that is something we'll talk about in this video. So before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals and join my trading signal group and community, there's a chat room, and soon you'll also get a trading guide with it, with a lot of value, I promise you. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions and stuff on how to join. But now onto Ethereum. So right now, like I said, I mean, you'll have to zoom in a bit, but we actually did get a little bit of a bullish breakout right here above 1750. So right now, it's actually, I think, a good plan to divide this huge key level up in multiple parts, because that's basically what's interesting right now. We now broke above this part, which was also what we struggled with a little bit yesterday to try to break above that. Right now the momentum in the markets is still low, at least for Ethereum. The volume is still pretty good. That's not what I mean, but the volume right now you can see is dropping down massively, so not a lot of people are selling it. And most of this daily volume, or at least, yeah, volume from the last 24 hours is still from way back. So not a lot of movement. Now, the main reason, though, why I expect bullish momentum today, because as most of you know, the Sunday, and especially the Sunday afternoon/evening in my time zone, so in Asia, that's the night and the evening. And in the US, it's probably the morning, yeah, morning, afternoon, early afternoon, I think. You get a lot of market makers and institutions getting into the markets again. And I think the momentum is going to be bullish. And the main reason for that is what we have next week, and that is the inflation rate numbers for the US and the interest rate decision, plus the press conference after it. That's just going to be very important. Those two events are going to be very important. And I expect it to be a little bit bullish, the expectation for it, due to past economic numbers and events, but also due to some things that were said, like for example that the consensus right now is that the interest rate will actually stay the same. So that's bullish, and that's why usually what you get is that it doesn't come after the news, but it becomes before the news. So it's kind of based on those expectations. So that's why right now I think Ethereum can actually get bullish momentum off of those expectations and get up to this level right here around 1780. Now from there, I would like to say that we will be able to break above that and then get into this area between 1810 and 1775, and then from there we'll see again if we get into this level and the bullish momentum stays the same. I think we can actually go all the way up to 1840. It's a possibility. I don't think that's the most likely scenario, to be honest. At this point in time, I think it's what I would expect now is that we'll at least get up to this level right here at 1780, and then we'll probably find some resistance, but only to take a bullish break retest off of the 382 fib and then get into that area. And then from that area, we'll see again. I don't think, like I said, we'll break above that. So then I'll just, in my video tomorrow, I'll do a full update on what's next. But that's what I expect for now. If for some reason we cannot break above that 382 fib, that's really the main argument against my analysis. If we cannot break above 1765, where that 382 fib is, then I was wrong. All right, if we find resistance there, there's not nearly as much bullish momentum as I would think, and the timeline for this is like a day, and then it's more likely that we'll drop down. If this happens, I was wrong. All right, but it's just I want to prepare you for everything that could happen, right? So that's my full take on Ethereum for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.